I'm going to show you how you can easily put cash on your Venmo card. First, go to a participating store like Walmart. Make sure the store has the capability to add cash to your Venmo card. Then, head to a staffed register and inform the clerk that you want to add cash to your Venmo card. You can add money to your Venmo balance from your linked bank account and then use your Venmo card for purchases. The clerk will swipe your Venmo card, and you will need to provide the amount of cash you want to add. If you're adding more than $300, you may be asked to provide an ID that matches the name on your Venmo card. Be aware that there is a fee for adding cash via this method, typically around $3.74. Once the transaction is complete, you will see it reflected in your Venmo app as PosDep Cash with the store location. If you have direct deposit set up with your Venmo account, your paycheck can automatically be deposited in your Venmo balance. Venmo may add cash deposit services at retail locations in the future, but currently, these are your main options for adding funds.